What's wrong, Eric?
Dimitri, shut the fuck up.
I was raised not to.
Dimitri, shut the fuck up.
You know,
Dimitri, shut the fuck up.
my parents always told me, if you don't have something nice to say, don't say it.
And why are you speaking at all?
Oh, you just hurt my feelings.
Oh, are you sad now? You should probably stop speaking.
Do you do this to everyone?
Yes.
Oh. Why? They don't deserve it.
Dimitri, stop with this. Dimitri, no, please.